is my bird flyer. Well, you just saw when I put this down, it made the wings go down. Here it is. This, when you pull this up, the wings go up. When you push it down, the wings go down. Well, you are wondering why it's called a box? Well, I will tell you the secret. These are locks which is hidden. And when you open all of them, you will find a hidden door here. You simply have to pull all of them at once and here. But if it's very, very big, bigger than this, you have to pull this out. So it will make room. And you might have seen this. Well, this is the laser. Bye-bye.